Day 60 of the lockdown, May 23rd, 2020. The location is the same, the person is the same, the color of the shirt is also the same. Just that the lockdown has continued for 2 months. When I started speaking from this location in the early days of the lockdown, there was hardly any vehicle on the road. Today, the number of vehicles on the road has increased. The noise in my ear due to vehicular traffic is higher. But it is still not the same as it would have been, say, 1 year ahead or 1 year behind, say in 2019 on the same day at the same time. Usually it would be bumper to bumper traffic. When the lockdown started, India had 500 corona positive cases. Today, India's corona positive cases stand at 1.25 lakhs. The number of deaths are under 4,000. The lockdown has certainly helped in containing the spread of the virus, but it is found in more than half of India's districts. The pandemic is not over, but the fear phobia in the minds of people is very high. Today, more than the cost of the pandemic, the cost of lives, it is the cost to the economy which is pinching India very badly. In 60 days, the economy has gone literally into an intensive care unit. The Reserve Bank of India says India will now go into a recession. So was the lockdown worth it? Was the price paid for the lockdown worth it? After the pandemic is over and a cost-benefit analysis is done, I'm sure economists will find it difficult to justify this lockdown. But even as India continues to battle with the coronavirus and India struggles in containing the virus, one thing is sure, somewhere the place where the COVID-19 virus originated in China seems to have done much better. They managed to contain the number of cases to less than 100,000. And there are lessons to be learned from China. So when we ask questions on the origin of the virus in China, let's also learn lessons from China on how they managed to control the coronavirus. 60 days of India's lockdown and almost 5 months into the pandemic, there is still no drug, no vaccine. The only cure is physical distancing. Masks when you are outside, hand washing and hand hygiene. Literally prehistoric methods of controlling and living with a tiny virus. This is not the development one expected in the 21st century. On the link road between Delhi and Noida, at the same location, roughly the same time, on May 23rd, 2020, this is Pallav Bagla.